Hello, good morning, traders. I caught this trade on gold during FOMC, and here we are on Friday. It's Friday now, and gold hit the TP. I called this, and I also did call other ones as well. As you see, the time frame, lower the time frame, you'll find that there are other ones that were caught here. Other ones that are caught here. Just an aggressive entry and a confirmation entry around this particular area here, and everything all went to the same take profit. As you can see, all of them went to the same take profit, which is this line 31.455, and the trade have hit this Friday morning. I was awake to see the trade hit the take profit right now, and before I slept for like 1 hour or two. As you can see, the market is now pushing upward. So thanks be to God that we were there to execute the trade. Look at this one as well. There was another one which I called here, but the market did not go there to mitigate, so there was no entry from that area. So we just were allowed this to pass. There were other ones as well. The code is like a counter trade. The market did not even respect those areas. You can see I just deleted the block because it's no longer useful. The market did not. The market just moved straight. It wasn't interested in retracing until it reached the destination. So the only point where market did retrace was here. It was a gap in the market. It was a gap in the market earlier on. This is the origin of where the gap is. As you can see, where the gap is. So there kind of a volume imbalance around here. After the market has to, during the NFP, market feel that imbalance, reprice the market, balance the market, and retrace back to what you see here. This is an higher time frame order block that was there. This is one confluence. To add another confluence to the area, you find that we have a we have this market structure shift. As you can see here, there's another added confluence. Confluence number 2. Then another confluence you see is this a gray purple area. I'm trying to light the fish to come up. Okay, this one here. This one is AVG, fair value gap, more like acting as a magnet to the area, to the market. So this is complex number 3. And then you have this on the lower time frame. You can see the markets. This one here, I think when the market liquidate the trend line, there was a trend line all the buys. I think I made a comment about that. And my second good chart, let me see if I can open the second good chart. It should be this one. Yeah, should be this one. Let me open it. Okay, now look at this gold chart. Might take it to higher time frame for you to see. Let's put it in 1 hour or so. So on this chart, you see that there's this after the market opened with a gap. So you can see this is the whole concept of the imbalance visually drawn. You see there. Various brokers has a various chart look almost similar but a little different. That's why that one is there like that. So you can see this is where all the buying take place. From here is where all the buying take place. You can see I represent that with a trend line. You can see the market followed along the trend line until that NFP is liquidated all the trades, all the buys. Yeah, so you can see this is it. So this was the candle, this big candle here was the one. So you can see here is where the early traders were induced, and somewhere around this move was what led to the kind of interest of let me, it's possible to switch back to the other chart. Okay, as you can see here, craze was created. So as in seller buyer was were induced, a little counter trade was introduced, and afterwards markets took them out. They push into the FEG, into the FEG more. So maybe if I should go to lower time frame, you see everything. Yeah, this was very bad. This you can see here. This was the earliest time the market took out the tap into the imbalance. The imbalance is bigger than it was. So I think this was a later update of it after the part of it was filled. So this very move here created a form of protected structure where this is the protected high, and I found a block around here, and that very block was what I now use to find other block. Well, the other block rule is here. I use is, you can see here, is on lower time frame is half. You can see half OB around here. That half OB means that like other block is buy to sell or sell to buy a candle. It's a situation of buy to sell candle when the buy candle is greater than the sell candle. You can use this half OB. So the actual candle around there, I don't know if I can show you to say I go maybe like 5 minutes or so. Again, you will find that that's exactly what happened around there. The candle was smaller, so I had to use that. This was the confirmation side. Okay, here. I think here, but I think maybe 3 minutes or so before we were to reach to that area where it is. I just want to screw and show you guys so that you see for yourself why I did that. Okay, here. This is the candle. This last green candle paired with the black candles. You can see the green candle has longer body. it has smaller body and longer wicks. So altogether, is area is wider than the black one. It's a perfect block. It's not supposed to be so. So when you find this green candle bigger than the black candle, and you use that half for B. So that is what I use. So you can see the market came here. We enter aggressively first of all, then we waited for confirmation as well. So you can see the market tap here, then the market created a structure, swept the liquidity, which you see here, mark X. They came back down to break the structure, which you see here, internally market structure shift, and market create equal lows around those liquidity that market is going to take later, then failed to tap the block the first time, leaving this inducement here, and came back later, sweep the inducement, then tap into the block, then we enter again. That's when everything started crashing down. So from that point, the market did not retrace again. It just continued and continued. Several attempts that we tried to get another re-entry did not work. As you can see, look at this area around here. I did plot, but it didn't work out before the market hit my TP. So this is gold. This is Friday the 19th, and our trading activity has been rounded up for now. So I'll quickly just go back to my group. My network seems to be awful. Okay, yeah. Someone asked me when am I trading, and say my gold trade have been closed. You can see this is, it has hit the TP and has closed. I'm no longer in gold. As you can see, this was a complete post that the trade have hit. So let us try and screw back and see the images. Is other people posting. This is and the other one. Okay, this was before the other trade, additional trade, when markets was approaching that area where I said we enter aggressively and also wait for confirmation. This was on the 18th of June. So you can see this was the night, 1:38 a.m. the night, and this was when the other bigger one started. And this was when the other one, the bigger one started. And this is 17th. Then also, I think before then I was uploading for a buy, but when I look at the higher time frame, that's when I saw that there is a gap. There is a fair value gap above and a big fair value gap below. The market will balance itself. So is that that's what led to changes. So before then, there was this news. So you can see here, these were the FOMC. It was yet to be released at the time. Look at where time was. Time was 15 something. I didn't. FOMC was forthcoming. So between this time and this time was when I changed my bias. And as you can see, the last buy post was this, but I had to say, no, I am changing. I had to. So I know I did different analysis entirely from that, and then I posted this. I said, have anyone looked at the H4 chart lately? Chart, FG above, FG below. I think gold may buy before selling, and I will take off my limit order. So the limit orders were for the buys. I took them off and I replaced them with sell waiting around here to enter. So that's what I did, and later on it started moving. You can see it started selling off then, and then this very day of 2000 plus pips. So you can see it's wonderful. So that's all for now on gold. My trading this week have ended. See you guys some other time. Bye bye.